Is my house's slab heaving or raising up? Another question we get asked a lot is my house's slab heaving or raising up?
There could be a couple reasons. The first most common reason is that there's a tree with large roots located very close to the house. And sometimes the tree doesn't even have to be all that close. There are certain types of trees that have very extensive root systems. The second reason could be that it actually is heaving. So the edges of your home are staying the same, but the middle is rising up. And one reason is that it could be expansive soils that expand like a sponge in the presence of moisture. Another very common reason is that it actually isn't heaving. The center of your concrete slab is staying the same, and the weight of your walls is making the perimeter sink.
Great answer, Garrett. And like he said, people don't even think about tree roots. I mean, until you walk down like one of the city sidewalks, LA is a great example. Yeah. You can see how those trees that are planted right next to sidewalks are raising and moving it. Same thing goes with your house. If that tree is planted right next to your house, it can do the same thing. If that root gets slow enough, make its way underneath your house and jack up your foundation, which is not a good thing.
Thanks, Brian.
Garrett, appreciate it. And thank you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.